Hi you guys, it's Amanda with Healthy House on the block, and I'm here with another weekly video on creating an indoor space and environment that supports your health and wellness. This week we're going to talk about holiday gift guides, but not just any gifts. We're going to talk about being a conscious consumer and making really thoughtful decisions when it comes to buying over the holiday season. I'm so excited that I can offer you some coupon codes for different items that we'll be talking about in this week's slides. So I'm going to take you through some slides that basically break down this week's blog post. However, I will tell you, if you are looking for links, then you're going to want to go directly to my post, which I have linked in the bottom of the video description. Otherwise, stick with me and you can get a visual idea of all of the gifts that you can get this holiday season that are both thoughtful and unique.
Christmas is definitely my favorite time of year. I'm sure it is in a lot of people's homes. And we love getting into the Christmas spirit and doing extra special seasonal things like baking and decorating. And while my kids really love the gifts part in the past years, I actually have not been the most thrilled that the season involves so many gifts. I would hunt through gift guides after gift guide, trying to find last minute ideas for teachers or a friend who I accidentally missed in my shopping. And it was never a peaceful and good feeling at the end of the season. What I've kind of found is that being prepared and being thoughtful about the process helps me keep peace during the holiday season. I still need a little help now and then finding a gift idea, but I now have a handful of stores and online shops that I trust for not only unique gift ideas, but gift ideas that are low toxin. And I think this is especially true of gifts we give to our kids. I obviously don't have a ton of control over what other people give my children. And so I make a very conscious effort to look for practical, low toxin items for their Christmas gifts from my husband and I. In the past, we've done a gift they want, a gift they need, a gift they wear, and a gift they read. We've talked about instead giving them an experience gift, like a family trip to explore a new area this year or in the future, which might happen down the road. I truly love holiday gift guides that aren't things, and I've included some for you in this week's blog post. There's nothing better than an experience you can give to your kids instead of more stuff. But the same is true for adults. You just have to know who you're shopping for. So I'm really excited to share with you my gift and thingless gift ideas in this year's holiday gift guide that's a little bit more ethical and a little less toxic. So the first place that I want to share with you is Earth Hero. Earth Hero is one of my absolute favorite places to shop when it comes to home items and gift items. They are an exceptional Amazon alternative, and they have specially curated items that are ethical and low toxin. They offer a huge variety of products from home to travel, clothing to pets, babies, and beauty care. And I feel like anything I might normally get off of Amazon, I can actually just head over there and make a better choice. So if you shop right now through December 2nd, you can not only get 20% off with the code that's there, you can also be guaranteed that they will plant 5 trees for every order when you're using this code. And in the blog this week, I have my favorite picks from Earth Hero. I'm going to share a few of them here, but there are definitely more in the blog post with links if it's something that you want to take a look at as well. So first, they have these specially curated boxes, which I absolutely love. I think they're such an easy yet ethical way to shop. So they've got this one is their new baby gift box. You could give it to anyone who has a little baby here or on the way. Another favorite that I have is the Explorer kit, and it comes with everything you would need if you're going to be hiking or camping, as far as like meals and outdoors go. And I love this idea. You can also gift the Eco Living gift box. This is kind of a good starter pack of eco items for the kitchen. So perfect for anyone who's kind of thinking about being a little more sustainable. This is another one of my favorites because this one is very inexpensive and it's perfect if you know someone who wants to make some better choices, but they don't know where to start, or it's kind of expensive sometimes to get started. So this is like a little kit that will get you started with a zero waste lunchbox. The self-care gift box is one of their best sellers. Perfect for yourself, even if you want to give yourself a little Christmas present. And then they also have these little sets. This one is hot chocolate. They also have tea, and they have a couple other ones that are just, they're beautiful. And it would be such a great gift for a teacher or a friend or someone, just to even have on hand at your house. Oh, and then this was another one that I found. The Save the Honey Pot Organic Skincare Bundle. It's just cute, and it has, it's just a nice little set, again, maybe to even keep on hand at your house. And then this one was really fun too. The Zero Waste Dishwashing Kit. So the copper cloth, those are such a great gift because a lot of people don't know about them, but they're really awesome for cleaning and scrubbing in your kitchen. And then look at all these other great gifts that come with it. They're all sustainable. They're all great options. Okay, so this is a little something that I'm sharing on the blog post this week. Another conscious consumer spot that I like to go is Etsy. So handmade is definitely one of my favorite things to receive. What I love about Etsy is they have some amazing project kits that are already put together. They're not like, if you go down to like Target or other stores, they just kind of have these like prepackaged, junky looking kits that we end up giving kids. These are beautiful. They are with quality materials. They're thoughtfully put together by a person. And so I love these. So here's a little taste of some of the DIY kits that you can get on Etsy and give as a gift to someone. They're great stocking stuffers if you find one of the small ones. I have all of these linked in this week's blog post. So here's a couple more for like little kids. They've got coloring, little clothespin crafts, this letter hanging art. Both of my daughters already told me that they want when they saw me making this post. These are some other like holiday crafts, like the tree set. You could, if you have, multiple kids, you could get that, and each one of them could make a tree, or same with the felt ornaments. All right, and then here's some older kid ones that I found. So this one right here is to make your own scrunchies. I loved this one. I think this would be perfect. I have a 9-year-old. She would love this. Little keychains for backpacks. And then I love this decorate your own vase. They also had different colors. And like I said, these are all linked in this week's blog post, so never fear. Even for him, I thought these were some great projects if you have a guy who likes to do, just some like crafts or projects. These are great for guys too. And then for her, because I like to craft, I would love to get these. The macrame rainbow kit was adorable. You could make it for a nursery, make it for a room to hang up, and then the little felt succulents. Again, these are all linked. So another practical gift idea that I wanted to share with you, because I think it's unique, to say the least, is using drops. So drops is non-toxic. They have fragrance-free options. They have laundry. They have dish detergent. Adding a box of this to your gift, whether you're getting an outfit, a blanket, a mug, would be such a perfect addition. I am all about practicality in gifts. You can also give a subscription. This is a great thingless gift idea. So you can use my code. If you've never ordered with them, you can do my code for 25% off your first order, or if you've ordered from them before, you can still save 15% off all of your orders. But I thought it was such a great idea to just throw in with a gift or give the full subscription as a gift. I think that again, I am all about the thingless gifts, and that is one of them. So let's take a look at the actual gift guides that are on the blog this week. So I've got a curated gift guide for her. These are all low toxin, from ethical sources. These are the gifts that I would love to get myself and gifts that I would love to give. It kind of makes shopping fun. So links to all of these in this week's blog post. The gift guide for him on the blog, same. These are all ethical, low toxin from ethical sources that you can give and feel good about shopping. And then I've got gifts for older kids, because there's a big difference between your older kids and like your preschool toddler age. These are all some ideas that I came up with, and the links are all on the blog post. And then finally, a gift guide for the little ones. These are probably the most fun, and probably have the most items that you can find. There's so many opportunities to buy a low toxin gift. I like to use ethical brands and ethical resources that have the same values aligned with my own. All right, so this is a blog post that you're going to want to go to if you want any of these links. I have coupon codes listed and a couple other extra things that just didn't make it into this video this week. I've got some great resources like Make Organics, Extrema, and how you can use a coupon there. I have a great makeup website that you can go to, Naked Poppy, and you can get 10% off with my code. So many ideas. I have, again, all of the gift ideas that aren't things listed in this week's blog post. Things like services, flowers, memberships, a meal out, experiences. I mean, experiences, you could go so many different ways, right? Botanical gardens, train rides, wine tasting, kayaking, event tickets like the orchestra, concerts, plays, movies, classes or lessons. You could do anything from art to music to dance to crafting. Giving a local park pass. This is one of my favorite things. I think that would be the most amazing gift to me. National park passes. You could do memberships to like Thrive. You could do memberships to Costco. There's so many options that you could think of. And I have kind of a good spot for you to start on this week's blog post.
Thank you so much for sticking around and going through all of the holiday gifts that I shared in this week's video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or send me an email. Otherwise, head to this week's blog post where you can get links to all of the products that I mentioned, as well as those coupon codes and other information about holiday gifts. Otherwise, I will be back here next week with another Healthy House tip on creating an indoor environment that supports your health and wellness.